at Flamingo Crossing. We are about to check in and have a little staycation here at this hotel, which is a Walt Disney World Gateway Hotel. We just checked into the Homewood Suites here at Flamingo Crossing. We're here for a staycation for a few days and to be close to the magic. And when I say close, I mean close. If you've ever driven under that arch for Walt Disney World that lets you know that you are on Disney property, we are 1 mile from that arch. And this hotel is considered a Walt Disney World main gate hotel. We are actually considered to be on Disney World property here at Flamingo Crossing. And Homewood Suites is a great hotel that offers some great deals. We're checking out the lobby area, and like I said, this suite offers some great deals. I'm going to be sharing all about some exciting deals that they have coming up for November and December ahead of the Christmas season so that you can unwrap the magic early. But right now, let's go check out our room. Going up. We just got into the room and you can see there's a dining area here, a refrigerator and a kitchenette. This is great. And you gave us a little gift basket. That's so sweet. So here's the full fridge. The living area with this couch that pulls out to make a bed. And then if you come in here, you will see the bedroom, which has 2 queen-size beds. Look at those sweet Mickey towels. Oh, and look at the gifts they left for my kids. That is so sweet. There's a desk area over here. TV and storage. Chair. Let's go check out the bathroom. So out here you have a vanity with a full mirror. And then over here you've got that tub and shower combination. And then here is a storage closet, extra bedding. Super nice. We can't wait to see more. They are already getting into the snacks and treats that they left for us, but I want to share a little bit more of this room. You can see that everything is equipped for everything you need. There is a coffee maker here. There are dishes, paper towels. There is a microwave and a range for cooking on. There is even pots and pans for you to use. Garbage can here, a full dishwasher, the sink, and a full-size refrigerator. Perfect for a lengthy stay, perfect for families. So one of the perks of staying here at Homewood Suites is that they serve a hot breakfast every day, and it's like a full buffet. So these doors will actually open up in the morning and have the breakfast buffet, and then you have all of this seating here for guests to enjoy their breakfast. Here is that all-day coffee bar. Jay has already taken advantage of that. And then here's the lobby bar. And then there's also a pool bar and restaurant outside. All right, let's check out this little shop they have in case you forget anything that you need while you're staying here. They've got it all. They've got laundry detergent, they've got deodorant and toiletries, chapstick, which is a must in the parks. They've got some snacks and candy. They've got these soups and things that you can warm up in the microwaves. Lots of delicious things. They even have some cute Disney merchandise. But what I love is that they have these frozen novelties that you can get and put in the refrigerator in your room. You can get these beverages, or you can even get these food items that you can warm up and cook in your hotel room because everything has a full kitchen. So this is a fantastic option for grab and go, and it is so convenient. All right, it is time to get tucked in. We've got the sofa bed pulled out. It pulls out to a full-size bed, and this is what allows this suite to be perfect for our family of 5. This bed could sleep 2, but one of our kids will be sleeping out here, and then the rest of our family will be sleeping in the bedroom on the 2 queen-size beds. But nice and cozy and perfect. Good morning. It is bright and early, and we're gonna go check out the breakfast spread. Here at Homewood Suites, they have complimentary hot breakfast every morning. We're gonna go see what they have and what it's all about. Breakfast hours are from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Monday through Friday and 7 to 10 on Saturday and Sunday. So they let you sleep in a little bit on the weekend, which is nice. We're gonna come in and check everything out. There is a station right here where you can get your silverware, your plates, your cups. There's juices, apple juice, orange juice, water. And then over here is the dry food station. There are different cereal options. And then you can get some milk to go with your cereal. Here are some different bread and bagel choices. You can toast those here. There are different toppings that you can add, as well as here where they have whipped cream cheese, marmalade, and butter. And then down here you have muffins and sometimes pastries. Here in the center you have the hot bar. You'll have scrambled eggs. Today there are red potatoes, chicken sausage, and plant-based chorizo. So we're gonna check that out. I love that they offer different options that can accommodate different dietary needs. And each day, a few of these hot items will be different. There are overnight oats, hearty oatmeal with different toppings that you can add to that. There are flour and corn tortillas that can go with the chorizo, and then you can add different toppings to that as well. Make some breakfast tacos. And then here is the waffle station, and you can make Mickey Waffles. And last but not least, there is some yogurt and fruit. So yeah, quite a lot of options at breakfast. Come out here, and again there's a water station, and then here are your waffle toppings. So there are some different syrup options, as well as chocolate sauce and caramel sauce. So you can make those Mickey Waffles as sweet as you want.
2 ears. There's a face. And there's a face. Alright, you eat those.
All right, what did everybody eat for breakfast this morning?
Muffin and toast.
Eggs, a muffin and toast, and what is that I see? Mickey Waffles. I'm pretty sure we're all having some Mickey Waffles. Molly, what all did you eat?
Cereal and some toast and Mickey Waffles.
Yum. What did you have for breakfast, my dear?
Pork carnitas breakfast tacos.
Ooh, yum. Yes, those were delicious. The pork carnitas was so good. Add a little scrambled eggs with it and some salsa. Yum, yum, yum. While we finish breakfast, these goofs have found something to do. Hopping around. And this is actually right next to the concierge desk where you can purchase theme park tickets if you don't already have them when you come and stay. So we just got back from breakfast, and I just wanted to hop on real quick before we start getting ready for our day and tell you a little bit more about Homewood Suites here in Flamingo Crossing. Not only are they a Walt Disney World Gateway hotel, which means they're super close to the magic, but they have some special offers that you're going to want to know about. First, you can start booking now through August 1st for future stays. They have a 15% off room rate for stays November 17th through December 25th. So if you want to unwrap the magic early and bring your family for the holiday season, this is a great place to stay and a great rate. They're also going to be having kids eat free. So if you purchase an adult entree at the restaurant downstairs, your kids can get a free kids meal. So not only would you be saving 15% off on the room, you'd be saving on food. Hello, who doesn't want to save? Homewood Suites has a lot of perks too. Because they're so close to Walt Disney World, they offer a free shuttle service, so you don't even have to drive once you get here. It is pool time. The kids have rushed down here ahead of us. They are already in there with Fisher, my oldest, and we are now coming in to check it all out with them. The pool is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and it is a gated access pool, which is super nice, super safe. And there she is. It's a beautiful sunny day. And there's my kids. So the water slide is not open yet. The lifeguard arrives, I think, around noon. But it is beautiful and sunny, and it's not very busy. The kids have some dive rings and are playing. But yeah, this pool is amazing. And like I mentioned before, the pool bar and restaurant is over there, and I'm pretty sure that's where we will be grabbing some lunch. So one thing I love about this pool is the zero entry over here on this side. It gets a little bit deeper in the center where the water slide is, and then it gets shallow again over on the edge. Slide just open and Molly is going. Woo, there she goes. So much fun. We love a water slide. I'll lay flat. That is outside. They have a full restaurant and bar. I've got the menu right here. There are starters, main courses, a kids menu, desserts, and different beverages. We are probably going to try a little bit of everything because everybody is hungry. All Okay, we've got some delicious food here. What are you excited to try? The pizza. Well, we've got some chicken strips and fries. They look delicious. We've got this 3-layer dip and some pizza. So just on the other side of the pool bar and grill are these grills. And I think this is such a cool space. You can come down here and use the grills and make your own food. So if you're staying here for an extended time and you are tired of cooking up in your suite, you can come down here and cook down poolside and enjoy using those grills. So we have spent most of the day at the pool, but we just came back down to the lobby because on Wednesdays, which happens to be today, they have a social hour where there are free snacks and beverages, and we're going to check that out. So here you can see the sign that shows the breakfast hours and the evening reception hours from 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. on Wednesdays. And they have it set up over here in this lobby bar area. You can get complimentary wine and beer. You can have water. You can have some different juices. And then there's different snacks. We're going to check it out. So they have some cookies and ice cream with different toppings. And my kids are going to love that. They have some chips with some different salsa. And then there's like a little trail mix station. So fun little snacks that are complimentary on Wednesdays. All right, Molly's got some chocolate ice cream and she's adding some sprinkles. Cannon's getting some vanilla ice cream. What are you going to put on yours? Chocolate chips. That is called caramel sauce, Molly. So I decided to get some vanilla ice cream with strawberry and blueberry topping and some fun sprinkles and candy. This is my little sweet treat for the day. So while I'm having my sweet treat, let's talk about Homewood Suites and the deal that they have going on. So right now there's a booking link that's going to be in my caption down below. You can click that link and you can find a discounted rate for Homewood Suites here at Flamingo Crossings. That link is good until August 1st, but it's for stays November 17th through December 25th. So if you want to come have an early getaway for Christmas, if you want to gift the magic of Disney and a Disney World vacation to your family, this is perfect because you can use that booking link. You get 15% off. You get the free hot breakfast